Okay, so we have two radicals that we would like to multiply together, but their indexes are different, so we cannot multiply them together. So that's when we bring in what's called rational exponents. And what we mean is our exponent will be a fraction. So this first one, this has an exponent of 1. This has an index of 4. So we're going to turn this into 3 raised to the 1/4 power times, and we're going to turn this one into 3 to the 1/5 power. Now, these are like bases that I would like to multiply together. And when I'm multiplying like bases together, I add my exponents. So that's going to be 1/4 plus 1/5. Now let's say that you cannot really conclude on your own to get from this step to this step. Let's think about a separate example. If I had 3 to the 4th times 3 to the 5th, and I don't have any fractions involved, let's think about this. Multiplying like bases, add the exponents. 4 plus 5, so that's going to be 3 raised to the 9th power. Notice the 3 didn't become 9, the base stayed the same. That's a simple example. Now let's go back and finish it with the fractions. So I need to add my 1/4 plus my 1/5. Now if you're struggling with that, I know that you have a calculator that can do the fractions, but let's do a little practice with that. The least common denominator between 4 and 5 is 20. 20 divided by 4 is 5 times 1, 5. 20 divided by 5 is 4 times 1 is 4. So I'm going to have 3 raised to the 9/20. I am in rational exponent form. If I needed to change it into radical form, then the 3 is the base, so it comes under here to become my radicand. The 20 becomes my index, and the 9 becomes my exponent. And I can put this in my calculator and get a decimal, and this should be the same decimal, and this should be the same decimal.